Hello, come on in. This is our standard one-bed apartment, 749 square feet, has spacious floor plans, open concept. You have ample space in the kitchen, nice coat closet here. We have a brand new Samsung refrigerator, as well as all energy efficient Samsung appliances. And we have full-size washer dryer in every unit. We also have garbage disposals as well. And every island or breakfast bar is set up for bar stools. And there's even a nice bookshelf cubby inside. Also have sleek, soft close cabinetry and hardwood style flooring in every unit. There is a private courtyard outside, and you can look out. There's some apartments even do have their own private entrance to the courtyard. There's outdoor seating in the courtyard for your guests as well. This is a queen size bed. You have tons of room also for a king if you'd like, and then additional space for side tables and a dresser. Most units do have a walk-in closet as well for all your shoes, clothes, and additional storage if you wish. All of the bathrooms have a floating vanity, as well as sleek glass showers that are walk-in, and then the Jack and Jill doors, so you don't have to have your guests enter through your bedroom to get to the bathroom. Additional amenities are our fenced-in dog run, rooftop deck, and 24/7 fitness center. And all of our units have keyless entry called Latch. In addition to one bedrooms, the Cooper also has a studio, one bedroom with den, and two bedroom floor plans. They range from 523 square feet to 1,313 square feet. So the Cooper is also close to the train station. This building is ideal for commuters. It's also walking distance to restaurants, bars, places to go and walk your dog, to run like the Riverfront. And also there is a discount program called Play Where You Live, where you can get discounts through local vendors.